In this video, I'm going to show you 10 lesser-known call and contact features on Samsung Galaxy phones. Once you learn these settings, managing your calls and contacts will become much easier and more convenient. So stay with me until the end of the video to learn all 10 tricks. Keep in mind that some of these options may vary depending on your phone model, One UI version, and region. 1. Show a contact's name without their phone number. If you want your phone to show only a contact's name when they call you without displaying their phone number underneath, open the Phone app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Then select Caller Information. Turn off Show Contacts Phone Numbers. After you disable this option, only the name of a saved contact will appear when they call you. Keep in mind that this setting only hides the contact's number on your screen. It does not hide your caller ID when you call someone else. 2. Answer calls on speakerphone by default. If you don't have a wired headphones or Bluetooth device connected, you can make your phone automatically use speakerphone whenever you answer a call. To enable this feature, open the Phone app, tap the three dots, and select Settings. Next, go to Answering and Ending Calls and turn on Answer Using Speaker. After enabling this option, every call you answer will automatically play through the speaker. This can be especially useful while driving or whenever your hands are busy. 3. Record phone calls. The call recording feature is available on some Samsung Galaxy phones. To check whether your phone has it, open the Phone app, tap the three dots, and select Settings. If you see Record Calls, open it. You can also enable auto-record calls to record your calls automatically. To record a call manually, tap the three dots during an active call and select Record Call. If this option isn't available on your phone, it may be disabled because of regional restrictions, your carrier, or local laws. If you want to enable call recording on your phone, leave a comment below. In my next video, I'll show you how to activate the call recording feature. 4. Merge duplicate contacts. Sometimes the same phone number or contact may be saved 2 or more times on your phone. Samsung has a feature that can find and merge these duplicate contacts. Open the Contacts app and tap the three-line menu. Next, select Manage Contacts and then tap Merge Contacts. Your phone will search for duplicate contacts based on their names, phone numbers, or email addresses. Select the duplicate contacts you want to combine and then tap Merge. Their information will be combined into a single contact, making your contact list cleaner and more organized. 5. Make your voice clearer in noisy places. If you're in a noisy place and the person on the other end is having trouble hearing you, you can use voice focus. First, you need to be on an active call. During the call, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap Mic Mode, and you should see options such as Standard and Voice Focus. Select Voice Focus and then tap Done. This feature filters out some of the background noise so your voice sounds clearer to the other person. However, Voice Focus isn't available on every Samsung Galaxy model. 6. Create and share your personal profile. Samsung Galaxy phones let you create a personal profile and easily share your contact information with other people. Open the Contacts app and tap your name or profile at the top of the screen. From here, you can add your photo, phone number, email address, mailing address, and any other information you want to include. On supported models, you can also select Create Profile Card to design a personalized profile card. Once your profile's ready, tap Share. You can share it as a file or text through WhatsApp, QuickShare, or other supported apps. For privacy, only include information you're comfortable sharing with other people. 7. Transfer all your contacts at once. If you want to transfer all your contacts to another phone or create a backup, open the Contacts app. Tap the three-line menu, select Export Contacts, and then tap Export. You can choose to export your contacts to your SIM card or your phone's internal storage. If you select internal storage, all your contacts will be saved in a single VCF file. Once the file has been created, you can find it in the My Files app and send it to another phone using QuickShare, WhatsApp, email, or another sharing method. 8. Add important contacts to favorites. If you frequently call certain friends or family members, you can add them to your favorites list so they're always easy to find at the top of your contact list. Open the Contacts app and select the contact you want to add. Then tap Favorites or the star icon at the bottom of the screen. That person will now appear in the Favorites section, giving you faster access to their phone number. 9. Display incoming calls as a small pop-up. Sometimes an incoming call can take over your entire screen while you're gaming, watching a video, or doing something important on your phone. To prevent this, open the phone app, tap the three dots, and select Settings. Next, select Call Display while using apps. You should see three options: Full Screen, Pop-up, and Mini Pop-up. If you don't want incoming calls to take over the entire screen, select Pop-up or Mini Pop-up. You can also enable Keep Calls in Pop-up. This keeps the call in a small floating window even after you answer it. 10. Share a contact with a QR code. You can quickly share someone's contact information by turning it into a QR code. Open the Contacts app and select the contact you want to share. Then tap More or the three-dot menu and select QR code. A QR code will appear on the screen. You can take a screenshot of it or share it directly with someone else. The other person can scan the code with their camera or the Scan QR code option in the Contacts app. They can then quickly save the contact information to their phone. Those were 10 useful call and contact features available on Samsung Galaxy phones. How many of these features did you already know about? Leave the number of your favorite tip in the comments below. If you have any questions or run into any problems, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.